IIFT Kakinada की एडमिशन पॉलिसी फॉर द सेशन 2026-31 इज आउट. ऑल्दो जो पॉलिसी उन्होंने रिलीज की है इन अ ब्रीफ इन अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म, बट आई विल इंश्योर इस वीडियो में मैं पूरा कवर करूं what IIFT Kakinada has to offer and how being an IPMAT 2026 aspirant आप IIFT को भी टारगेट कर सकते हैं. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start. So IIFT Kakinada आंध्र प्रदेश में एक यूनिवर्सिटी है जिसका पूरा करिकुलम is based on foreign trade. Now why? Because उसका नाम full form is Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. तो जाहिर सी बात है the curriculum is designed in such a way. Again, it offers a 5-year integrated program in BBA plus MBA. Now they have very specifically laid down it is business analytics and MBA in international business. So if you are a aspirant जिसका family background है business में, या if you are business minded, आप चाहते हैं business में ही आगे, you know, you want to start something of your own, you want to be an entrepreneur, this is it. IIFT Kakinada का curriculum ऐसा design है that you are business ready. अब global focus है, ये premium institute है जो international business education में focus करता है. इसका curriculum ऐसा design है. It is known for its excellence in trade analytics and global exposure, and it has a flexibility option also, like after 3 years you can exit with a BBA degree. Okay, moving ahead, curriculum की अगर बात करें in detail में, BBA and MBA का है, you will find in your core foundation in your initial years जो पूरी strategy है या जो पूरा इनका curriculum है, it is based on economics and accounting, marketing management, statistics and data analytics. These are of first 2 years. Then comes advanced. So these are specialization that you can opt for. It can be in big data analysis, business strategy, operations and supply chain. Very important and crucial part. And again, keeping in par with what is going around, इन्होंने AI को भी introduce किया है. So you will be getting summer internships, machine learning, e-commerce, everything related to business. No point, no stone left untouched. Moving ahead, what is the eligibility criteria? Now you need to understand the total number of seats at IIFT is 60. Very limited, but the curriculum is very nice. Academic qualification की बात करें तो 10th और 12th की requirement रहेगी. Minimum aggregate marks in is required is of 60% in case of general OBC EWS, लेकिन SC ST categories 55% is the minimum aggregate marks required. अब class of 10th passing years भी mentioned है 24-25, या अगर आप 2026 में appear कर रही हो, writing your boards right now, you are eligible to. अब 2022 में 10th पास हो जानी चाहिए थी या उसके बाद, only then you are eligible. They have clearly mentioned it. अब बहुत ही crucial बात, mandatory requirements apart from age qualification and ACADS is that you must have mathematics, applied maths or stats in class 12th. ये required है because business पे ये पूरा इसका play है. So yes, maths, applied maths, stats is required. Age criteria भी आ गया है, you must be born on or after 1st August 2006 if you are general OBC and EWS, और 5-year relaxation किसके केस में दिया गया है? SC and PWD relaxation, SC ST PWD को. अब एज जो है कैलकुलेट की जाएगी as to what is written in your 10th certificate. okay? तो जो class 10th secondary education का जो certificate आता है उसके हिसाब से they will be considering your age. Then what is the mode of examination? क्या if you're new here, let me tell you, IIFT Kakinada का कुछ doesn't conduct its own entrance exam. It solely relies on IPMAT 2026. Now what IPMAT? IPMAT इंदौर का स्कोर कार्ड IIFT Kakinada एक्सेप्ट करता है. अब फाइनल मेरिट कॉम्पोनेंट्स क्या रहते हैं? अगेन नो PI इज हियर. IPMAT स्कोर जो आपका इंदौर का स्कोर कार्ड है वो रहता है, मेजर प्राइमरी फोकस उस पे रहता है. देन क्लास 10th की परफॉर्मेंस पे, एंड देन जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी. सो पॉइंट्स आर गिवन टू जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी ऑल्सो. अब आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि IIM इंदौर जो IPMAT कंडक्ट करवाता है उसका सिर्फ स्कोर कार्ड IIFT कंडक्ट करवाता है, लेकिन IIM इंदौर का कोई भी रोल नहीं है in selection of students at IIFT Kakinada. Okay, it's just the scorecard based on the score that you are getting in IPMAT Indore. IIFT is judging you, is considering you for their 60 seats at their Kakinada campus. All right, moving ahead, apply कैसे करना है? Now, although IPMAT 2026, Indore IPMAT 2026 के forms are closed, 24th is the last date for form correction window. अगर कुछ भी करेक्शन है आप जाके अभी भी कर सकते हो. सो फर्स्ट इज यू हैव टू रजिस्टर फॉर IPMAT इंदौर, फिल IIFT फॉर्म. अब जब आप फॉर्म फिल करेंगे तो आपको एप्लीकेशन नंबर वहाँ पे डालना रहेगा ही, because they will be asking you for your IPMAT ID. Required uploads क्या है 10th और 12th के mark sheets. If you belong to any particular category, you have to upload the category certificates and IPMAT forms, which is a proof of registration that yes, you have applied. Even though you are mentioning the application ID, you have to also submit IPMAT form 2. Application fees जो है, it is 2000. This is for the form, and SC ST PWD के लिए it is ₹1000. फी स्ट्रक्चर की अगर बात करें तो इनिशियल 3 years जो BBA है उसकी फीस है 4 lakhs per annum, एंड रिमेनिंग 2 years की इट इज एज पर द नॉर्म्स जो उस टाइम प्रिवेल करते हैं, जो 2 year MBA के लिए रहता है उसकी फीस अप्लीकेबल होगी. अब हॉस्टल मेस ये सारे जो है एक्स्ट्रा एड ऑन एक्सपेंस है, तो 4 lakhs में से जो है अकेडमिक्स आप कह सकते हैं इन्वॉल्व है, जो हॉस्टल चार्जेस है, जो आपके अकोमोडेशन चार्जेस है, दैट इज सेपरेट. अब IIFT की जो लास्ट डेट है टू फिल द फॉर्म, इफ यू आर लुकिंग आफ्टर IIFT काकीनाडा, यू शुड नो दैट द लास्ट डेट इज 20th of April. Okay, so ensure that you're filling your forms timely, and if you need guidance, if you need suggestion that should we am I ready for IIFT, or you need further guidance, you can always reach out to us, or if you have any query, you can drop them down in the comment box below. This was Priyal signing off. Thank you.